Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Maurya, your chemistry teacher. As we know that there are 5 types of chemical reactions which I have told you earlier: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and oxidation reduction reaction. Out of these 5, we have already discussed combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Now we are going to discuss rest of the chemical reaction. So next chemical reaction is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? So a reaction in which one element of a reactant takes place of the another element of another reactant. Means one element will displace another element from the reactant. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. For example, Zn, we know zinc, and this one CuSO4, copper sulfate. So it becomes ZnSO4, which is zinc sulfate and Cu. You can see here zinc is displacing copper from its solution. This is copper sulfate solution. So zinc is displacing copper and it is taking place of copper and it is forming zinc sulfate. And here copper has been displaced. So in displacement reaction, the element which is more reactive will displace the less reactive element from the reactant. After that, we will discuss double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? You can see here the name is double displacement reaction. Means in this reaction one element of a reactant displaces another element from the reactant and that element displaces another elements from the first reactant. Means in this case the places of elements change. Means in this case change of ion takes place. So for example, here we can write ZnCl2 plus CuSO4. It forms ZnSO4 plus CuCl2. You can see here zinc is taking place of copper and it is forming zinc sulfate, and copper is taking place of zinc and it is forming copper chloride. So here you can see chlorine ion has been exchanged with sulfate ion. Sulfate ion comes with zinc and chlorine ion comes with copper. So in double displacement reaction the exchange of ion take place. After that we will discuss about oxidation and reduction reaction. In this one, we will discuss one by one. So first of all, oxidation. Oxidation reaction, the reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. Oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. That reaction is known as oxidation reaction. So, oxidation reaction, example, we can write that CuO plus H2 is equal to Cu plus H2O. You can see oxygen is added to hydrogen. Oxygen is added to hydrogen. So, in this case, we get oxidation reaction. And reduction, the reaction in which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added, that is known as reduction reaction. Reduction reaction, as I told, that reaction in which oxygen is removed and hydrogen is added is known as reduction reaction. We can consider same example, and Cu plus H2 is equal to Cu plus H2O. You can see here hydrogen is changing to H2O. So this is oxidation. And copper oxide is changing to copper, means hydrogen is removed. So this one is reduction. So this is oxidation reduction reaction. We can say this reaction as redox reaction. Redox. Red means reduction and ox means oxidation. So oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, means both the reaction takes place together. So these reactions are known as redox reaction. So this is redox reaction. You can see here reduction is also taking place and oxidation is also taking place. So this reaction is known as redox reaction. That's all. Thank you.